Imagine, you wake up one morning, and the sun is no longer the warm golden sphere we've known for billions of years. Instead, it's dimmer, colder, dying. It sounds like science fiction, but one day, this will happen. And when it does, everything Earth, humanity, and the solar system itself will change forever. Today, we'll journey billions of years into the future, step by step, to witness the sun's final moments and what happens next. Stay until the end, because the sun's death isn't the end of the story. It's the beginning of something stranger. The sun is a 4.6 billion-year-old G-type main sequence star, a giant nuclear reactor turning hydrogen into helium at its core. Every second, it releases more energy than humanity has ever produced in its entire history. Right now, it's in the most stable phase of its life. But even stars have lifespans. Like a candle slowly burning away, the sun is consuming its fuel. And here's the timeline. It has about 5 billion years left before things start to get catastrophic. In just 1 billion years, Earth will no longer be the same. The sun will be about 10% brighter, making our planet's surface temperatures rise drastically. Oceans will slowly evaporate, the atmosphere will thicken with steam, and life as we know it will struggle to survive. By 2 billion years, Earth may resemble Venus barren, scorching, and lifeless. Even if humanity somehow survives until then, this will be our eviction notice from the solar system. At around 5 billion years from now, the sun's hydrogen fuel will run out. Its core will collapse under gravity, and then it will fight back. The sun will swell to hundreds of times its current size, becoming a red giant. Mercury and Venus, gone swallowed whole. Earth's fate. Scientists debate whether our planet will be engulfed or just scorched beyond recognition. Either way, it's game over for our home. But during this phase, something strange happens. The sun will briefly fuse helium into heavier elements like carbon and oxygen. A final act of defiance before its true end. The red giant can't last forever. After a few 100 million years, it will shed its outer layers, creating a beautiful planetary nebula, glowing shell of gas drifting in space. At the center, what's left of the sun will shrink into a white dwarf star no bigger than Earth, yet so dense that a teaspoon of it would weigh tons. This white dwarf will no longer produce energy. It will slowly cool over trillions of years, fading into darkness. The solar system will be a ghost town Nitz, once bright heart, now a cold, silent ember. But here's where the story gets bigger than the sun. By the time our star dies, humanity, if we're still around, might have spread across the galaxy, living under the light of other stars. The sun's death is not unique. Across the cosmos, stars are born and die in endless cycles. In fact, the very atoms in your body were forged in the heart of ancient stars that died long before our sun was even born. The sun's death will simply return its elements to the universe, to one day form new stars, planets, and maybe even life. The sun gave us life, and it will take it away. But in the grand story of the cosmos, this is just one chapter. Stars die, new ones are born. And maybe, just maybe, when a new star forms from the ashes of ours, someone else will look up at their sky and wonder about us. Because in the universe, nothing truly ends. It just begins again,